This problem is about finding the ultimate value of a closed loop. Consider the following closed loop system with GP and GC as the transfer functions of the process and the controller respectively. We have this GC, which is a PI controller, and GP, which is a second order system, otherwise which is two first order system in series. So we have this unity, otherwise no gain for the measurement, otherwise simply loop consisting of GC and GP. So we are asked to find for a unit step change in set point, the change in the value of the response. So what is the value of the y? Initially there is no YSP of s is 0 and y is also 0. For a change of YSP equal to 1 by s, so what is the value of y? For a step change in input, what is the output change? That is what is asked. Okay. So we know for this kind of closed loop with negative feedback, ys by ysps is given as GOL by 1 plus GOL. GOL refers to transfer function in the open loop. So this open loop now is having these two components. So transfer function of this, multiplication of this transfer function of this open loop divided by 1 plus GOL. Okay. And we know this YSP is for a step change in the set point. So YSP is 1 by s. YSP is 1 by s, from which ys is coming as 1 by s into this component. And what is asked is y of t. Y at the steady state, or is nothing but the y at the final settled or the ultimate value of y conditions. So y of t at t tending to infinity is nothing but s y of s, tending to 0. This is nothing but the final value theorem. So y of s is already this way, so s into y of s is simply equal to this into s will be getting cancelled. So we have simply again this GOL by 1 plus GOL. So GOL, what is open loop transfer function? So for the open loop we have this and these two. So for that we have 0.2 or is 0.2 into this component, which is 0.5 s plus 1 by 0.5 s. And this another thing is a second order system. So we have this now available. So you can rearrange or reduce this. So this will be having 0.25 into 0.5 into, so 0.2 into 0.5 into 10, which is equal to simply again 1. So this 1 into 0.5, 5 into 0.2, 1. So we have s and 0.2 into 10, which is equal to 2. So this numerator is equal to s plus 2, and denominator we have 0.5 s into 2s square. So we have 0.5 s cube. 0.5 into 2, no? So we have 1 s cube and 0.5 into 3 s into s, so 1.5 s square, and the next last time is 0.5 s. So this is our GOL. So what is SYS, which is nothing but GOL by 1 plus GOL. So GOL open loop transfer function divided by 1 plus open loop transfer function, which is upon reduction, so we have s plus 2 by s cube plus 1.5 s square plus 0.5 s plus again another s plus 2. So you can group them. So now what is needed is SYS at s tending to 0 to get y of t for t tending to infinity. So substituting for s equal to 0, so everywhere we have only this numerator 2 and denominator 2. So we have SYS, s tending to infinity, s tending to 0, which is nothing but the y of t, t tending to infinity is coming as 1. So otherwise the final value of y is simply equal to 1. So what it says, actually there is set point is 1, output is also reaching the value of 1. This is coming because of the integral action there in the controller, or is PA controller is having a integral action. This is making the offset to 0, or there is no offset. Y and YSP are the same, otherwise there is no offset. Additionally, we can also say about the order of the system. Originally the system process is a second order, whereas a closed loop system is coming to be a third order. because of the integral action of the PI controller. Okay, these are the additional information. That is, we have obtained this ultimate value of the closed loop, and additionally we can also say that offset equal to 0 and order of the system got increased. Initially it is a second order system which is turning to a third order system. This is because of the integral action. Service, the integral action leads to eliminating the offset, but it is increasing the order. Thereby the response is getting actually little slow down than the original first order original system response. Originally it is a second order, now it is turning to third order because of there is a lag getting introduced. Overall we have reached a zero offset closed loop system. Thank you. So this value, what is the value? The value is here is only 1. 1 is answer. That should not be forgotten. Okay. Thank you.